Hey there, Autopulse family. Welcome back to another exciting review. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Honda CL250 Scrambler, a bike that blends retro charm with modern performance. Whether you're a beginner rider or someone looking for a versatile urban and off-road machine, this could be the perfect fit for you. So, let's not waste time, let's get started. This Scrambler is powered by a 249cc single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine, derived from Honda's tried-and-true CBR300R platform. It delivers a smooth 24 horsepower and 16 pound-feet of torque, perfect for city commuting and light trail adventures. The 6-speed gearbox ensures seamless shifts, and Honda's reliable engineering means you can count on this bike for years to come. The design of the CL250 Scrambler is a true nod to the classic Scrambler style, featuring a high-mounted exhaust, round LED headlight, and a retro-style fuel tank. The bike feels compact and lightweight, weighing just 324 pounds, making it incredibly easy to handle for new riders or those navigating busy city streets. It comes in 3 striking color options: matte black metallic, pearl white, and candy orange, each one a head-turner. Honda has equipped this bike with a 41mm telescopic front fork and dual shock absorbers in the rear, giving you a plush ride both on and off-road. The seat height is 31.1 inches, striking a balance for most riders, while the upright handlebars ensure a comfortable riding posture. The CL250 Scrambler doesn't compromise on safety, either. It features a single 296mm disc brake up front and a 220mm disc at the rear, with ABS as standard. This setup provides excellent stopping power, even in wet or slippery conditions. The bike also comes with dual-purpose tires mounted on 19-inch front and 17-inch rear spoke wheels. These tires are designed to tackle both city roads and light off-road trails, making the CL250 Scrambler a true all-rounder. Honda keeps it simple yet effective in the tech department. The bike has a minimalist digital instrument cluster that displays speed, fuel level, odometer, and trip meter. While it may lack fancy gadgets, this keeps the focus on riding, which is exactly what a Scrambler is all about. One of the standout aspects of the CL250 Scrambler is its fuel efficiency. You can expect around 60 miles per gallon, giving it a range of over 200 miles on a full 3.3-gallon tank. Now for the price, Honda has launched this bike at an incredibly competitive starting price of $5,499 United States dollars, making it accessible to a wide range of riders. So, what's the verdict on the 2025 Honda CL250 Scrambler? It's a bike that combines Honda's legendary reliability with retro styling and modern performance. Whether you're navigating the city or hitting some dirt trails, it's ready for the challenge. At just $5,499 United States dollars, it's a steal for what it offers. If you're in the market for a versatile and fun two-wheeler, the CL250 Scrambler should be on your radar. Thanks for tuning into Autopulse. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Honda CL250 Scrambler. Until next time, ride safe and keep the passion alive.